We're getting it. We're getting it. Don't drop your tools.
I don't want to squish him.
I know. He's hungry and thirsty. I gave it some water, and it drank a lot.
Aww, she loves you so much.
Come here. Hi. Hi, baby. Gotcha.
Happy birthday, dear Rusty. Happy birthday to you.
The bag of candy that's on the floor. Oh my God. What are you doing? How did you do that? Oh my God. She literally just disassembled this.
Ready for bed?
Let's go. Oh, come on, big boy. It's time to go to bed, Mommy.